When working in Inventor, you sometimes need to share documents or share parts or assemblies with other, so other guys working on the project, and they might not have access to Inventor. So how do we share these drawings or these part models with your other clients? So the one way to do it is if we go to our Collaborate tab at the top over there, you'll see I've got my shared views. And what shared views does, it allows me to basically create a link to a 3D model that sits in the cloud. So all the guy actually needs, guy or girl needs to do is grab this link, select it, and it will then go open up the model in the 3D format. So if I take a look at shared views, okay, um, it'll open up this over here. I do need to sign into my Autodesk account. And what I'm going to do over here now is I'm going to share this. So I'll click on New Shared View, Utility Trailer, that's fine. I'm not going to share. I can have the options to hide the component names, also hide the part properties. I'm just going to leave it as is, and then it goes and processes that in the background. So it's going to come up and give me the options to to copy that link and send it to someone else. The nice thing about shared views as well is this also can get tracked in your or created from within your vault. So if you've got a vault installation, you can actually share it from the vault, and then from there it keeps a track of what comments get put on there. So you can see there it's just quite quick and easy. And I've got two options at the bottom over here. So view in browser or copy link. If this happens to disappear, just click on these little three dots over here, view in browser, copy link, and extend or delete. Now it's got to extend over here because this link actually expires after 31 days. So you can see there, it will actually disappear from the internet within 31 days. So if you get down to 2 or 3 days, you need it to still be shared with your companion, your colleague, sorry, you can just go extend and it extends it back to 31 days. Okay, so I'm going to select view in browser and it opens up my browser over here. And let's just go see exactly what it looks like over here. And you do not need an Autodesk account to be able to view this. You do need, however, need an Autodesk account to be able to log in and then also make comments on this. So you'll see there that I've got my preview over here. You can turn it around. So this is actually quite nice. I mean, I can zoom in. Let's see what those tires look like. It's quite nice. So, there we go. So then things that you can do with this, you can measure, from one point to another point. Okay, I'm working in inches over here, and it gives you my X and Z values as well. Let's go to settings, unit type, decimal inches. Let's go to millimeters. There we go. So now I've got my millimeters over there. I can pan, so I can move it around, I can zoom in and out, first person, turn my measure off. What I can also do is I can also section this. So I can say, right, let's go section the X plane. And you can see over there as I move it, let's just grab this over here. See, come on. There we go. And I can just grab that arrow and move and see it's sectioned over here. So I can see the section over here and I can see exactly what's going on in that tire over there, or maybe that channel. Okay. For markups, select markup, and I can go and maybe make some arrows sort of pointing to where I want this to be. I can also put text on. So let's go put some text over there. This needs to be aluminium. Okay. And then I can go save this over here. So now on the right hand side of here, I can see a lot of comments. And with these comments, I can also copy this link over here and I can send it to someone else. So they will then go see the markup that I've done and be able to then sort of comment or go and change the design and then maybe go resolve. Yes, I've done it. So you can see over here all the resolved ones. You can actually make another comment over here. So you can do a reply. I have changed the material. Okay. And post it up. So as you can see over here now, I'm now starting to build up a history of this on these views over here. Okay. So yeah. So as you can see here, I've got my my views. I've got my markups, and I was very quickly able to go and share this design with colleagues that aren't sitting with me. All they need, as I said once again, is an internet connection, the link that I've created, and they'll be able to see the model and interrogate it. So that is one of the ways that you can share models from within Inventor over here. Thanks very much for watching.